everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chika and this is Mom's Niche Diary. On my channel, I share content that would inspire you to live intentionally and to enjoy every phase of your life. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I baked and decorated my son's birthday cake. So if this is the kind of content you like watching, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So right now, I'm mixing all the dry ingredients together. I have a detailed chocolate cake video and I'm going to leave that link in the description box, so feel free to check it out. The only difference is I doubled the recipe. So you can double the recipe, you can make it 3 times, 4 times, depending on the amount of cake that you want to have. And the second thing I did differently is this time around, I'm using an oven to bake. Previously in the other video, I used the stove top to bake and a pot. So that's just the 2 basic difference. So right now I'm beating my eggs and adding them to the wet ingredient, which contains the milk, the vegetable oil. So if you don't have a mixer, you can still make and enjoy your cakes. As you can see, I don't have a mixer, but I'm still baking. So no excuse to enjoy this delicious chocolate cake. With the constant increase in the prices of goods and foodstuffs in Nigeria, honestly, any DIY you can do is a plus because it's going to save you some money. So any DIY you can do yourself, it's really going to save you some money. As you can see, I'm looking for all the little drops from the egg. Team no waste zone. So let me know in the comment section, are you team bake your children's cake or team buy the cake? Okay, so whichever one you are, I want you to know that you are an amazing mom. Yes, you are amazing. Now it's time to mix the wet ingredients together. And the next thing will be for me to add in the vanilla. So I'm already a pro in this thing, I'm just adding in some cups, no need to measure. I'm just eyeballing it. But of course, I'm going to leave, like I said, all the measurements in the description box and also a link to the full detailed chocolate cake recipe. This is me adding the remaining one for my previous vanilla bottle. No waste zone, remember. Have you been enjoying the video so far? Please hit the like button. Yes, let's smash that like button. Hit the like button. Give this video a thumbs up if you've been enjoying it so far. So right now, I'm mixing the wet ingredient and the dry ingredient together. You have to mix it gently. You don't need to mix it too fast. Just gently mixing everything together. So right now I'm trying to decorate the cake, as you can see. So today is actually the next day morning. I baked the cake on a Thursday and I'm decorating it on a Friday morning. Yesterday, after I finished all I had to do, body no be firewood, so I knew I needed to take a break. So this is me just trying to finish up today. I'm putting in the butter icing into the piping bag. You can actually use any icing you prefer, royal icing, fondant icing, anyone you prefer is fine. So let me know in the comment section if you want a video on how I made my butter icing. So like I said, I'm decorating it this morning, but you can actually bake and decorate the same day as long as the cake has cooled down. Another cake decoration video on my channel. I'm also going to leave that in the description box. So if you're looking for a different style of decoration, I'm going to leave that video for you to check it out. And I also want you to know that your cake doesn't have to be perfect. Yes, the designs do not have to be perfect. Your kids will notice. They will be so excited that mommy is baking them a cake. But of course, if you want to become a professional, then you have to keep practicing and practicing till you get better at it.